Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I always do this. I always like black out right after I say,
hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Anyway, I know it's been a very long time and I think I've only done it twice, but I am wanting to show you guys what I got in my BOXYCHARM box this month because let me just tell you, it is crazy. The value of my box is insane. And while I'm showing you what I got, I'm going to be doing like a little tester for some of them, not all of them. If you want to see what I got in my BOXYCHARM box, then please keep watching. Okay, number one, don't judge me by my box. I was laying on the couch when my husband gave this to me and then he left and I was too lazy to get up off of the couch to go get a knife or scissors to cut it open, so I just like ripped it. But anyway, if you did not know, this is a BOXYCHARM box. It's a monthly subscription. It's $25 a month and you are guaranteed 5 full-size products of skincare, makeup, sometimes they put hair products in, really just anything like beauty or anything like that. I love looking forward to getting my box every month, and yeah, let's jump right in. By the way, this is not sponsored, but BOXYCHARM, if you want to sponsor me, go right ahead. All right, so as I said, with each box you get 5 full-size products and they always have like a theme, and then on the back of the box it gives you like information of all the products and like what the original MSRP is. This month's BOXYCHARM theme is Sunshine. The first item on the list is this 111 skin. I don't know if it's pronounced 111 skin or like 111 skin, but it's by Harley St. London. It is a defense booster. It says it's a unique fusion of actives which help to alleviate visible signs of aging and damage. This is a bougie product, okay? It's like this little serum with a little eyedropper. It says to put a few drops in with your moisturizer, and yeah, it helps to protect or fight against aging and damaging your skin. This little guy right here, like I said, he's bougie, is MSRP'd for $135. One product in here is $135 and I paid $25 for the whole entire box. I'm just gonna link my stuff down below so you can go sign up right now for BOXYCHARM. Next item on the list is an item that I will be trying. This is the Siete London Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. It's so cute. Like, I mean, if I was to see this in a store, I would buy it just because the packaging is so cute. I know for a fact that I'm gonna love this because I got the setting powder a few BOXYCHARM boxes ago and it's like one of my favorite setting powders, so I know I'm gonna love this. If you love the smell of coconut, hello and welcome to your new best friend. I love the smell of these and I can't wait to try this out, which I will be trying this one out today. So the next item that I got is the Pure Cosmetics Festival Eyeshadow Palette. So this is the packaging. It's got a big mirror, but here's all the little shades, very summery, and I'm gonna be jumping in right now and testing this one out. I kind of wanted to go for like a bold summer look, but if you know me, I'm not really a color gal. I like nude, I like basic, so I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll get daring. I'm just gonna jump right in with this Photo Op color right here and just, woo, I can already tell this is pigmented. Get a good transition shade. So far it is very pigmented. It's blending pretty well. I'm liking the palette so far. We're gonna jump in with this Insta Worthy. Oh my god, that's so cute. It's like a little dark peach shade. So good so far, same thing. Very pigmented, blending pretty easily. Very colorful and pretty. I would say this is like not like terribly outside of my comfort zone, like it's pretty like just a matte brownish, but I'm gonna maybe take it a little further. I don't know. There's this Turn It Up color I kind of want to dip in, but I'm kind of don't. I don't know what to do, guys. I'm actually gonna take more of the Insta Worthy and just kind of run it on the outer corner of my eye in towards the middle. This is such a pretty shade. Oh my god, I love this shade. It's so pretty. And I think I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna jump in with this bright Turn It Up shade. Low-key freaking out. Holy heckin' Bob, she bright. Okay, and I'm just placing this on the outer corner of my eye, kind of just like making a V. Whew, she's pink. Pink, pink, pink. Okay, now for my favorite part. We're gonna go in with Pure Bliss. It's like a gold bronzy kind of shade. Oh, she's pretty. Alright, I thought it was a good palette. I don't know that I loved it just because like I have so many palettes and I really don't need more, but I mean it was in my BOXYCHARM box. Yes, I like it. Would I purchase it on my own? Probably not, but very pigmented, very pretty, and very easy to blend out, and it's cruelty free. The MSRP on this was $36. I don't even think I told you the MSRP on this either. The MSRP on this was $22. Okay, moving to my next product. I realize now I'm a tartar because I wanted to use this, but this is the Quick Color Swatch. So it's for dry makeup brush cleaner. So you take a makeup brush, you put your shade on, and then you use this little thing and basically like takes the color off of your brush so that you're ready to dip in with a new color with the same brush. Like I said, I'm a tartar, totally forgot I had it, wanted to use it, and I didn't. I had my eye on this and I'm super glad I got it in my box, but the MSRP on this little dry makeup brush cleaner is $17. And then last but not least, this is the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Energizing Eye Masks, and there's 12 eye masks in here. I haven't opened it up, but why the heck and bob not? It says suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes? Perk them up as if you've just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. I don't really ever think I have like dark circles under my eyes, but I really do have lines. See, you can just like see, like I have like lines so bad. I don't know, I might give these to my sister depending on if they work. Yeah, so this is what I was thinking they were. Actually, I'm pretty sure Brampy, I don't know if you guys know her, but if not, go check out their channel. It's called The Bram Fam. My favorite family, my favorite YouTube channel ever. Go check her out. I'm pretty sure she used to wear these all the time, or maybe still does. So you just put these under your eyes, wear them for 15 to 20 minutes, and they're supposed to help, like I just said, get rid of dark circles, fine lines, and puffy eyes. These were MSRP'd at $21. Okay, lashes are on. So now I'm gonna test out the Shanelle-RAIOGNNN Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. So pumped about this. Oh my god, it smells so good. It literally just smells like coconuts. Alright, all dry. Like I said, I knew I was gonna love that product just because I love the setting powder that they have. It's so like not a direct spray, it's like a mist, so it feels like really nice when it hits your skin. So yeah, those are all of the products that I received. I highly suggest BOXYCHARM to anybody wanting to try new products. Like for me, it's so convenient because having a makeup YouTube channel, I'm always wanting to test new products, always wanted to give you guys new ideas, and I don't have to go out and spend full price for every single product that I want to try. They just send me a box. I obviously don't get to pick what's in the box, but they just like send new items and full-size items at that, so that's very handy. To start BOXYCHARM, you sign up and you take a survey, so each box is really like personalized to you. You can do more skincare or more hair or more makeup if you want. I highly recommend it if you are interested in it. I will leave a referral code down below. You guys can use it and that will just give me like a few points towards my upcoming box or something. But yes, I just wanted to go over the total of the whole box really fast. Once again, I know I'm getting repetitive, but 5 full products, $25 a box. You get a box one time a month. The total value of my whole box, we have the Defense Booster, which was $135, Shanelle-RAIOGNNN setting spray, which was $22, the palette that I used, $36, the eye mask, $21, and the color swatch brush cleaner, which was $17. That total comes out to $231. That's insane, guys. $231 and I only paid $25 for it. I love BOXYCHARM. I can't say enough good things about it, and I hope you guys are really interested in signing up. And like I said, if you are, use my referral code down below. It will help me, but this is not sponsored at all. I just genuinely love BOXYCHARM. But I think that is going to do it for this video. If you guys do sign up, let me know so I can personally thank you. When people use my referral code, it doesn't tell me who signed up or used it. It just tells me that it was used, but I would like to know who did it so I can thank you. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment down below what you want to see next. I'm thinking about doing like a really bright eye. Like I really want to do like a yellow or an orange summer color, which who am I don't ever want to do color, but I just really want to try it. Leave a comment down below if that's something you want to see. I'm trying to think of ideas, so if you have an idea, leave it down below as well. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Just a second, my husband's Snapchatting me. He's shopping for me, so pause. Feel like, come on Barbie, let's go party. Which helped to alleviate. I don't know. Wanting to show you guys, excuse me, Dan, can you go outside, please?